What if healing your gut was as simple as eating 2 figs a day? Not a pill. Not an expensive cleanse. Just 2 figs. This humble fruit has been healing digestive systems for centuries. And today, modern science is finally catching up. Stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why figs might be the gut-healing superfood you've been missing. Today, we're diving deep into the surprising benefits of figs for gut health. We'll explore how figs can soothe bloating, regulate digestion, feed your microbiome, and even impact your mood. But here's the twist. I'll save the most powerful benefit for the very end. So stay with me. Let's start with something essential: prebiotics. Unlike probiotics that add bacteria to your gut, prebiotics feed the good bacteria you already have. Figs are loaded with natural fibers and oligosaccharides that nourish beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. That means a stronger gut lining, better nutrient absorption, and even a stronger immune system, all by simply feeding your microbiome. Figs are nature's gentle laxative. The combination of soluble and insoluble fiber in figs helps to add bulk to stool and promote smooth, regular elimination. They also contain an enzyme called phycin, which supports the breakdown of proteins in your digestive tract, easing digestion and helping to cleanse your intestines. Try this. Soak 2 dried figs in water overnight and eat them first thing in the morning. You'll feel lighter and more regular in just a few days. Chronic gut issues like IBS, ulcerative colitis, and leaky gut often involve inflammation. Figs are rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, natural compounds that reduce oxidative stress and calm the gut lining. This makes them powerful for reducing gut pain, preventing flare-ups, supporting recovery from long-term digestive problems. Figs help your body break down food more efficiently, especially heavy meals. They naturally stimulate stomach acid and digestive enzyme, helping to prevent bloating, indigestion, and that sluggish feeling after eating. Pro tip: chew on 1 to 2 figs after a heavy lunch or dinner. It's a sweet way to give your gut a head start. Your gut lining is like a security gate, When it's weak, harmful particles can leak into your bloodstream, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and autoimmune issues. Figs are rich in mucilage, a sticky substance that coats and protects your gut wall. Daily fig consumption can help. Seal leaky gut. Rebuild gut lining. Prevent further damage from processed food or antibiotics. Did you know over 70% of your immune system is in your gut? By improving your gut microbiome, figs indirectly boost your overall immunity. That means fewer infections, better response to viruses, and stronger resilience. Now let's talk about how to eat figs to get all these benefits. Soaked figs. 2 dried figs soaked overnight in warm water. Fresh figs. Add to smoothies, yogurt bowls, or eat as is. Fig leaf tea. Boil fig leaves for 5 to 10 minutes and sip as a soothing digestive tea. Avoid processed fig bars or fig cookies. They're loaded with sugar and additives. Choose organic figs when possible, especially dried ones, to avoid preservatives like sulfur dioxide. Here's what most people notice when they eat 2 figs daily for 14 days. Day 1 to 3. Bloating and gas reduce. Day 4 to 7. Bowels become more regular. Day 8 to 10. Stomach feels lighter, less indigestion. Day 11 to 14. Energy increases, skin may start to glow, brain fog fades. It's a gentle yet powerful shift, and it starts with just 2 figs. And here's the hidden gem. Your gut and your brain are best friends. When your gut is inflamed, your brain suffers. Mood swings, anxiety, and even depression can be connected to poor gut health. Figs help balance your gut flora and reduce stress hormones like cortisol. So by feeding your gut, you're also feeding your mind. If you're ready for a natural reset, I challenge you to try the 14-day fig challenge and share your results in the comments below. What did you notice first? Less bloating? More energy? Better mood? Tell us. And if you want to dive deeper into the full potential of this amazing fruit, don't miss my other video, The Magic of Figs, where I uncover even more ancient secrets and modern uses. Go watch it now, and let's heal naturally, 1 fig at a time.